Hello everyone and welcome to another baconbits video. In today's video we're going to do a deep dive on our patch deferment tool located in our bacon service. What this allows us to do is give more control to our end users as well as give a little more flexibility to our bacon admins. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here. We're going to navigate to our endpoints table. We're going to click on this connected one here. So we have two available patches on this machine. I'm just going to run you through a quick use case here. Before we start, just ensure your WebSocket is up. This is an indication that the bacon service is running and has the correct version here, as at the time of recording, that is. So we're going to go to available patches here, and we're going to select these two to install. We're going to select that endpoint here. So this is where it becomes interesting. So we have our bacon agent scheduling. We have our normal options here: install immediately, schedule time, relentless mode, and run when connected. But we have this new one here, schedule with deadline, and we're going to select that one here. And we're going to select a date in the future. We'll pick the 10th here. We'll just pick 9 AM. Sounds good to me. So what this does is allows our users to defer the patch install until that date that you set. So in a few minutes I will be showing you what that looks like on the user side, but from the admin side your user will be able to defer that patch until this time that you set. At the time that you set, it will install that patch immediately, granted that the endpoint is online when the job is scheduled to run. So we're going to go ahead and click install here, and then it gives you the option to install with or without a reboot. We're going to do with the reboot, and it created that job. So now we're going to navigate to our jobs page to check the status of that. Alright, here is the window where we will see the status of that. I'm going to cut here to show you what the patch deferment tool looks like on the user side. Welcome back. As you can see, I have our remote tool used to remote into that screen of the machine that we started the patch job on. And this is what the window is going to look like here. It gives a little briefing of the patches that will install. A little briefing: this will require a reboot. It may take an hour to complete. Save work. So now you have a couple options here as the user. You can defer for an hour, you can defer for the day, or you can set a schedule to remind you. Or you could set the scheduled time here when you would like that to be installed. This just gives our users a little more freedom to get their work done, finish what they're doing, end that Zoom call before installing the patch. In the past, we've had issues where the patch was a little bit too aggressive. It would restart our customers in the middle of their workday, in the middle of whatever they're doing. So this just gives a little bit more room to work. So we can click now to install that patch. We can remind in an hour. We're just going to click now just to show you what this looks like, and click submit. Now this is going to reach back out to our bacon server to let us know that that patch is good to start installing. And we'll give this a few minutes here, and I will see you back at the job log page when the job starts. And you can find the status of those patch jobs, of course, in logs, jobs, and it'll be the job type patch install, and then you can view logs here. Our bacon service has notified the bacon server that the job is okay to start, so it has began the job to install those patches here. Welcome back. So our patch job has come back. It looks like we got a fail on this one. Googling this error code, it looks like something wrong with my VM there. So not sure what went on there, but we got this security intelligence update installed. There was no reboot needed for that update, so we're good to go there. But that is in essence the entire patch deferment tool. Of course, if you guys have any questions or concerns, hit us up at our tech support at baconunlimited.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.